Good afternoon, students. Today in SST we will go through the new chapter, that is British Raj and beyond. Means British Raj, and then after that what happened. India is the oldest civilization and it was called the Golden Bird of India. And so that is why all the European trading companies wanted to have trade relationship with India. So all of them wanted to explore India. Christopher Columbus also wanted to pursue India, but accidentally he discovered South America. And then the Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama, he was the first European to reach India by the sea route. And he traveled for a long time and discovered a new sea route through the Cape of Good Hope. From the Cape of Good Hope, there was a sea route for to come to India, and so all the Europeans started trading with India. But the Dutch, the Portuguese, British, and French, all the Europeans wanted to trade with India because of their spices and cotton, and because of all this, they started fighting among themselves only. And who became the winner? British emerged victorious. Then that is why they established the English East India Company to trade with the East. The British merchants established the English East India Company with the permission of Queen of England, and they started to trade with India. But they started it from Surat, that is in Gujarat. The trade started from there, and then slowly later expanded to the rest of the country. And the company soon became greedier to gain more profit. Means they become more greedy, that they wanted more profit of it. Aurangzeb was the last powerful ruler of India, and after his death, the Mughal Empire started to crush. It started crumbling. They did not go noticed by the English East India Company. So this advantage the English East India Company took, and what did they do? They started expanding their territory. So they wanted Bengal, which was a prosperous state, very flourished state at that time, and they wanted the British wanted them to control it. So what did they do? They had the Battle of Plassey and the Battle of Buxar. So Battle of Plassey was between Sirajud-Dowlah and the Britishers, and Sirajud-Dowlah was the Nawab of Bengal, and he was defeated and killed. And even in Battle of Buxar, also after that, the whole Bengal was under the control of the British. And now they started having unfair policies to conquer the princely states. And what did they do? They subsidiary alliance policy was introduced in 1798 by the Governor General of East India Company, that was Lord Wellesley. And what did this policy did? It gave military protection to the princely states who entered into subsidiary alliances. However, it forbade the princely states to keep any army of their own. The policy forced the princely states to accept the English East India Company as the supreme power in India. Means if the princely state wants to fight with another state, so they used to give them their army, and their own army, the prince's own army, would not be active. Only these European armies, the British armies, will fight against the other state. Then the Great Revolt, that is why the Great Revolt of 1857 took place. Gradually, not only the Indian rulers, but the common masses also became discontent with the English East India Company. This discontent led to the Great Revolt of 1857. The main reason for the revolt was as follows. So, what was the main reason of it? The discontent among the Indian people. So here we will go through it in the next. I will explain you about it. But I will shortly. I will say the farmers were very discontent, the artisans, the Indian traders and industrialists. Then there was also religious causes, military causes, immediate cause. Then result of the revolt. What was the result? Was it a success or a failure? That we will go through in the next online class. And in diagram you have to draw two revolutionary leaders of 1857. From this you have to draw two, and you will have to color it, and in your SST copy only diagram will be there. And question answers I will give you brief and short in the copy, and then you have to do the spot check spot check also. Spot check is this I will send it in the group. Okay, thank you.